will you click the link for sample apps and the link for app templates?
Good deal. Yeah, okay, so here is sample apps, which I think this is going to have some of the ones that got mentioned in chat, right? Inspection, milestones, things like that.
Yeah, so the sample apps are delivered via the store, right? They're delivered and updated by Microsoft, but they're all based off of app templates. And remember, app templates, which we've shown before, are samples that are out on GitHub that anybody can download and use or customize. So there's this the vanilla out of the box version of the issue tracker or the employee ideas app. If that works for you, great. If you want to make changes to it, though, yeah, go grab the source code out on GitHub and add an extra field, change the behavior. That's all published and open source for you to go and play around with. But yeah, the two key terms there is the sample app is what's delivered by the store and just there for everybody to manage like any store app. And app templates are things that you would download the source code and then upload it as a custom app in your tenant.
Right. The most popular one probably being the company communicator here.
I don't know that is. Like if you hit the button, the link at the bottom, app template code samples, there's actually a lot more than we have hot links to. So like the adoption bot's been really popular. Simple, the issue tracker, employee ideas, really, really popular. The onboarding one is super popular. Employee training, yeah, I mean, there's a bunch there. So while Company Communicator has a couple really big deployments, Company Communicator is a lot more complicated than most of these other ones. But if you go and like maybe click on the goal tracker, you'll see that the GitHub page for each of these kind of has a template to it. If we scroll down a little bit, you'll see an article explaining it and some screenshots. Let's keep scrolling down. There we go. It'll have documentation, a deployment guide, and architecture. So on the first page, you see screenshots and all that good stuff. In answer to the question, they almost all have an architecture tab there. So if we scroll up, we'll see that not that far. Down a little bit. At the top of the actual article, the README there, there's a link to the architecture. And so almost all of them have a link to an architecture document that'll let you see, hey, this thing depends on Power Apps and Power Automate. This thing depends on an Azure Logic app. You'll be able to see all of the key components here. All right. So the sample apps, maybe I should have had you pick one of those instead. So like the Employee Ideas app, where you could just use it straight out of the store, no customization, no uploading, no nothing. You can go and look at the actual source code of it. You can go look at the architecture document that on the corresponding page over on the app template side as well, if you want to dig real deep into it.